Hey, it's Garrett and Janet, Port Monkeys, and today we are in Honolulu, Hawaii, and we are on the hop-on, hop-off bus, and we're on the top of the double-decker bus. See that? So we're gonna take this, the red line, over to the blue line, and go out to the lighthouse, Makapu'u, and then work our way back. Hey, a bucket. Down there instead of over there. So this is the Hawaii scenic shoreline. This is the entrance to the Makapu'u shoreline or lighthouse trail. The entrance to the Makapu'u lighthouse trail. I guess we got to squeeze through there. Oh, yeah. Going through? That was a lot easier. So this is tsunami hazard area. I think it's pronounced Kaiwi, scenic shoreline. And there is no mention of a lighthouse there. But that's what's out at the end of the trail. So we've come from the street up there. And we're going to begin our uphill climb. I guess some people go downhill. There's the lighthouse.
There's a web right there too.
Waxing down his surfboard. And boogie boards up there. back at the ship. We rode the blue line, we rode the red line.
The green line was closed today.
Yeah, the driver was not supposed to stop here, but he brought us right back here because nobody wanted off at Aloha Tower. So, and a lot of people got off, so, but it was just around the corner, you know.
So, to Juicy from the blue line and the red line, thank you.
Yeah. So, from Honolulu, Hawaii,
I'm Janet,
I'm Garrett.
and we'll see you in the next port.
Bye.